Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we'll come up with our new topic, which is if else statement, as it plays a very important role. So I just came up with it. So if you like our video, please share and subscribe it, and give a favor and support to watch the full video. And what you will learn in this video, here you can see the marks of the students, and in this video we will allocate the marks according to the grade. And here you can see the criteria, like if the person got 90 or more than, then the grade will be allocated is A, or the person got 80 or more than 80, then the grade will be allocated B, and for 70 or 70 plus it will be given C, and 60 and 60 plus it will be given D, and before or less than 60 the grade will be considered as F. And here you can see the marks of the student, and in the marks the first person mark got 89 marks, so its grade will be B. And for suppose if I just write here 71, so its grade will be considered and its grade will be converted into C as according to our criteria. If I just give the Christopher 95, then its grade will be become A, and as per our criteria, if the person got more than 90, then its grade will be A. If I just round off, or if I just write here 60, so you can see the person who got 60, its grade will be D, and according to our criteria, if the person got 60 or plus, then its grade will be D. So how I just made this type of formula with the help of else statement. I just made a example for you so that you can get the better understanding, and without wasting time you will get to learn how can you use if else statement. So here you can see the grades and marks. So for using the if else statement, what you have to do, you have to first write equals to. If it is somehow complicated, so I just made it for you so that you can get the better understanding of it. First we write if bracket open, and now it says logical test. So what the logical test is, if our address, which is D5, got greater than equals to 90 comma, then grade will be allocated A, inverted comma. And in else we again give them if person got, if D5 got greater than equals to 80, then grade will be allocated to that person will be B, and again comma. In else we, if the person is in else we just write equals to D5, if the person got greater than equals to 70, the grade will be allocated C. Else, in else we again write if the person D5 got greater than equals to 60, grade will be allocated D, and if not, then the grade will be allocated F. So you just close the bracket first, second, third, and fourth. Now I just elaborating you, like if the person or our cell D5 got greater than equals to 90, then grade will be allocated A. If not, then we just go here in the second one, and in second one, if D5 got greater than equals to 80, then it will be given B. If it is not 80 or 80 plus, then it goes in the third one. If the person got D5 got 70 or 70 plus, then grade will be allocated C. If the values, or if the marks are less than 70, then it also again goes in the else. And in the else, if the person got D5, or if the cell D5 got 60 or 60 plus, it will be given D. And if the marks are below the 60, then it will automatically got in the last else function, and in the last else function our function gives the grade F. This is how I just write here if else statement. Now you have to just press enter, and here you can see the mark got 89, and as per according to our criteria, if the person got 80 or 80 plus, then marks will be allocated, or the grade will be allocated B. And you have to just drag it down, and here you can see the marks F grade will be allocated to Charles, because the marks he got less than 60, which is 45. And if I just rows or increase by 1, so Mark will got A grade. This is how, if the person got greater than 90 or 90 plus, then he will be given A. This is how our simple if else function completed. I just copy the formula for you so that you can practice it, or so that you can get the better understanding of the formula, how I just write here the formula, and how you can see and learn by seeing the formula here. What you have to do, you have to just comma and paste it, and I just the formula is lengthy, so I just write here mail merge function and bold and italic so that you can get the better understanding. And I just make a, you can see here the formula. This is how I just made the formula. And if you like our video, please share and watch the full video, and like and press the subscribe button so that we will get the support from you, and we will launch, or we will produce another videos. Thank you so much.